Hello, I'm Matt and welcome back to Workshop. I got a new torch, so I thought I'd show it to you and give you some of my thoughts on it. So, let's have a look. What I got was an Olight S1A in copper. I really only want two types of torches. Ones that take AA or ones that take AAA. I want it simple and I want to be able to pick them up anywhere, the batteries. And I'm really pleased with the brightness levels of this. The modes, how you access them, is great. You can just hold down, I won't show you because it really doesn't show up very well on camera, and it goes onto Firefly mode, which I find very useful in the evening. If you just press it normally, it goes onto its standard bright mode, and if you double tap, it goes onto the turbo mode, so you can access all the modes quickly without having to scroll through them. The copper finish is beautiful. It has a nice clip which is going the other way of normal lights, so you can clip it onto a cap or something to use as a headlamp. I'll show you it compared to a couple of other AA flashlights. So there we have the EagleTech D25A. So the EagleTech is longer, but it is thinner. And if we put it the other side, we have a Zebralight SC52, and this is about the same height, but it's definitely fatter. So in size, they're all comparable. The real difference is in the weight of them. Because of the thickness of the copper, it is a lot heavier. We are talking on that it is 98 grams. The Zebralight is 57, and the EagleTech is 56. So it is nearly twice the weight of these two. So if you're carrying in your pocket, that might be a consideration, but I don't mind because I love the look of it and the feel of it and the functions of it. Other nice things it has is a magnet in the base, which has come in handy already working under benches and on cars. So all in all, I think it's a beautiful light with a lovely finish, great features, and I'm super happy with it. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.